EYG has been around for 52 years now and is a recognised and trusted business across many counties. So let's go on a journey through time to where it all began. EYG was founded 52 years ago in a small terraced house in Hessle, East Yorkshire. The house and garage belonged to founder Jim Bingham and his wife Linda. From there, EYG was born. Jim's friend Chris George joined the company full-time as his business partner. One of the first employees was Jim's sister-in-law Janet Nuttall, who processed the orders initially from Jim's living room. After 2 years of proven success, EYG moved to its first office, a shop on Hessle Road. Within 3 years, they outgrew the shop and moved to a larger one a few doors down. In 1979, the business relocated for the third and final time to Wiltshire Road, where they remain to this day. From there, annual turnover soared, going from 10,000 in 1971 to 1 million in 1979. Over the coming years, the workforce swelled and the business expanded into the trade and commercial sectors, with Jim's son-in-law Nick taking a lead role in its growth. All through the 1990s, showrooms were opening up across the UK as EYG's name and reputation grew. Hull's flagship showroom was revamped and expanded into the EYG Lifestyle Village, with an official opening performed by celebrity weatherman Paul Hudson. With over 400 staff by 2017, the company was one of the biggest and most established home improvement firms in the UK. Now, over 50 years from the start, we have started to bid farewell to some familiar faces after decades of service, such as Chris George, Finance Director Roger Harrison, Surveyor Dave Nuttall, and Commercial Procurement Manager Ricky Boyson. But there are also many familiar faces who have been with us from then to now and are still working hard, such as Factory Manager Steve Kohler, Nick Carter from Processing, and Janet Nuttall, the longest serving employee after Jim. Today, Nick oversees the running of the business, but Jim still comes into the office 4 days a week. EYG is now a major operator across the domestic and commercial sectors around the UK. And as we continue to flourish and grow, this incredible journey is far from over.